Uh-huh. There is certainly something in that stomach. Hopefully, we are going to...
Get it out?
Yeah. Okay, going in. I see something that does not belong.
Oh, good.
Some fabric material that is yellowish in color.
Oh, hello. What could it be? A small ornamental squash?
Well, we're about to find out. Okay, we're going to tackle the foreign body now.
Come on.
That's tight.
Oh. Oh, come on. Oh. Holy.
Yeah.
What is that?
It looks like some kind of an animal.
Teddy
but
bear.
Nice one, Friday.
It appears to be some kind of a French fry resembling creature.